Welcome to my presentation. I am Hadi Hassan, roll 933. My presentation topic is the impact of Shadhin Bangla Betar Keندro in Bangladesh struggling for independence in 1971. This video clip is made for the partial fulfillment of the course PAX 5 to 3 war studies. I want to thank my course teacher, Mr. Sabir Ahmed Chaudhary, who inspired me to make a video clip on these particular issues. As we all know, freedom is the congenial thread of all human beings. This intuitive thirst lead a nation to the spirit of struggle. Shadhin Bangla Betar Keندro played a very important role in Bangladesh struggling for independence, which established by the government in exile. During this war, the radio station did not work just for providing information, rather it has become the overwhelming warrior. It worked as the guerrilla unit and the main inspirational source of Bangladeshi people's psychological warfare. Some of the popular program aired by this radio station which revived the ordinary people to join Mukti Bahini for fighting in contrast to Pakistan. To understand the historical background of the Bangladesh in liberation war, we need to know some overview of Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent was partitioned at the end of the British rule in the August 1947 and gave two separate nations named Pakistan and India. Pakistan was divided into two portions, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. West Pakistan always dominated East Pakistan by culturally, politically, educationally and psychologically and all other aspects of state things. That's why the East Pakistan finally led to the civil disobedience that followed the Bangladesh Liberation War in 1971. To understand the contribution of Shadhin Bangla Betar Keندro, we look through a overview of the formation of the radio station. Soon after the Pakistani army took over a decade Dhaka Betar Keندro in the early hour of March 26, 1971, the Pakistani renamed the radio station Radio Pakistan Dhaka and used it to announce martial law. The Pakistan army attempted to silence the voice of Bengalis. Bangladesh liberation had begun then. At the same days, this radio station started broadcasting identify the face to the Pakistan military bloody onslaught of Bangladeshis. The clandestine radio station located in the Kalurghat north of the city of Chittagong declared to the war, and this radio station called itself also Shadhin Bangla Betar Keندro. Shadhin Bangla Betar Keندro inform us how well we are advancing towards the victory. It turns to the orator as the Bangladesh government of exile. This radio station was set up by the gallant initiative was Belal Muhammad, a scriptwriter of artist and Radio Pakistan, and nine other young individuals who started with 1 kilowatt transmitter, which had a radius 10 miles listen area. Shadhin Bangla Betar Keندro and Declaration of Bangladesh Independence. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman called upon Bengali nations to resist the occupation force of throughout a message. The telegraph containing the message of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was sent from the EPR wireless and Selimpur wireless station around 11 am 25th March 1971. The assistant engineer Ghulam Rabbani received this message and transmitted the message to different places, including journalists and politician leader. The Pakistan Navy tracks this message and tried to create jam on transmit and finally create a threat to the foreign ships not to receive this. At the later, this the declaration was announced by the Major Zia Rahman at 7:45 am on 27 March 1971. This radio station was worked as the inspiration source of Bengali nations. The Bengali nation. Some politically conscious young organized this some front of important programs, including daily programs, the daily news, patra analysis, and the war relevant news broadcast, তারা দেশপ্রেমিক and স্বাধীনতার গান চরমপত্র and জল্লাদের দরবার, অগ্নিশিখা, বজ্রকণ্ঠ was the tape record speeches of বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান, the দর্পণ a mirror, the politically analytical program, the জাগরণী a revolutionary music program, ঐক্যতান, the musical harmony cool program, and Raktashikar. This radio station also aired some special English program for attraction foreign friends to support Bangladeshi liberation war. The radio station also contribute to raise the fund and operate some fund in the rising events. Artists from this station also held program in different part of India, bring greater awareness and support to Bangladeshi liberation war. This radio station was renamed in 6 December 1971 when India gave formal recognition to Bangladesh liberation and its providing a government of Bangladeshi and independence as a radio station. স্বাধীন বাংলা বেতার কেন্দ্র ran a process campaign during liberation war in Bangladesh. This station always try to expose the light of the truth of liberation war to the people. Music and drama were conducted to gather inspiration for the freedom fighters. This radio station were not set by the some the enthusiastic youth during the war. There would no doubt as the whether the war ended within 9 months or not. The Bengali nation is boundlessly grateful to Shadhin Bangla Betar Kendro for its impact on the war of liberation in 1971. Thank you. Watch my video